Mengameli Cryil Ramaphosa uqale ngokukhuluma ngeludzaba lolungundzaba mlonyeni mhlaba wonke.
The conflict in Ukraine is a matter of global concern to many citizens of various countries. The international community needs to work together to prevent further loss of life and displacement.
Mengameli ucele lekhona iUkraine kumele icedwe ngekuthula.
It needs to support meaningful dialogue towards a lasting and meaningful peace which ensures the security and stability of all nations.
Mengameli ke ubese uTsindza neludzaba lwakhomishana wemaphoyisa kulandzela ukuthi akhombe jenene khehla sithole indlela.
I have been in communication over some time about matters that led to the mutual agreement on the early termination of his contract. Now, these discussions were therefore not related to the crime statistics for October to December 2021, but were instead guided by what would be in the best interests of the country.
Umholi we-EFF Julius Malema ubute Mengameli ngelichaza lendvuna yemaphoyisa Bheki Cele.
What is it that you are so scared about, Honorable Bheki Cele? So much that you are prepared to allow our people to die like flies because you want to satisfy political expediency?
Minister, Kiri Minister, our Minister when I'm Malema. Maraku Kenyo Minister. No, Malema does not want to be a minister of opposition. If not, I'm a president. So, but all I can say is that, Honorable Malema, I've heard what you have said, but I fear for all.
Umholi we-DA John Steenhuisen ukhale ngebugebengu inkhohlakalo nekweswelakala kwemisebenzi.
Why won't you take action against ministers who are crooked, corrupt or indifferent?
I have put together a team of people who have demonstrated over time that they have a number of competencies and capabilities.
Mengameli utsi kunetinhlelo tekusita lusha kumkhakha wetekulima kutsi likhone kutimela lakheke nematfuba emsebenti.